Before we let you go, we cannot let you go singathethanga ngoKhuse. Just your opinion. I know Babandu, they are saying a lot of things. Khuse is supposed to win this fight. Jerusalem was not challenging Khuse. But your overall views about Khuse and Jerusalem, kula WBC.
Ako go for me, bra. I'm not go for because just
your views, your opinions.
Okay, me bra, moshanga xesha bo.
Yeah.
Fight ka kusibintle kakhulu yabo. Like every as you can see, everyone is proud of Khuse's performance and everything.
Dope.
Me also, I'm proud of Khuse's performance, and don't want to lie. It happens when you were expected to be. I'm gonna put it the way it is. If people they did not see you coming, when they see you here, yabo, by your two, and then but you wow, yabo. So I think many people be expecting my fan Khuse is gonna get there and be knocked out. Yabo, abuye ebelekiwe njengezinto nhleli niqhela ukuthi abuye ebelekiwe. So abantu bebekufana fan Khuse afika bethu, yabo. Feel Khuse perform all the way up to the The problem with izinto ezinjeyana, the minute you perform over the expertise abantu, you are already a winner in so many people's eyes.
Yeah.
Forgetting by fight le ibinjani. Forgetting by what was happening in the fight. So remember, he was fighting a champion that also was fighting. But because most people expected him to be knocked out and come back early. Wow, figure wow, suppose along the layer. And then the next thing is that everyone is proud and happy. But now we think because of the performance that was good and being there until the last round means that he's a winner. He did not win. He fought well.
Yeah.
He did good. Yes, but say Orient beza win. But of course Orient say Mexico and
yeah.
So let's just understand, but it is what it is. But then perform and then he maybe deserve another chance if yenzeka lona le aphinda yolwa aphinda sibonakalise yabo and then maybe zabe naseyifunde ezinye izinto yabo zabe naseyibona ezinye izinto that bezenzeke fighting, which is good. So